This is OPPO Reno12 FS, and today I'll show how you can fix slow system on this device. So first step I recommend you take is to, perform a storage cleanup or simply take care of your storage. The easiest and most straightforward way to do that is to launch the Google Files app or get it installed if you do not have it on your device. Then open the clean section, and here the Google Files app will automatically come up with steps and measures you need to take in order to free up some storage space. As you can clearly see, my storage is in perfectly optimal condition and there is plenty storage remaining. But if you have been using this phone for a while, probably or most probably your storage had a chance to clutter up. So just do all the measures, take all the measures that the Google Files app will suggest here. Then what you can also do is launch your device's settings, enter the battery category, then go into more settings and switch on the high performance mode. And the final thing that you can tweak in order to improve and enhance your device performance is to enable the RAM expansion feature, or to simply increase the amount of available random access memory. And in order to do that, enter the About Device category of settings, then tap at the RAM here, switch on the RAM expansion toggle. Now select how many additional RAM gigabytes you would like to get. The options are 4, 8 and 12 gigabytes respectively. And now in order for those changes, or in order for this feature to take effect, you will need to restart your phone. So get back, then select the Restart Now option and wait for your phone to be rebooted. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Should you have any further questions, leave them in the comments below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye.